What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out, and we're getting ready for our last break before we head away for Expo. Let's make it a good one. It's 5-box mixer, 688. Great lineup. Teams are going ahead right now. And here we go. It is 9:53. Good to turn 9:54. We're alive at 10:30. Anaheim to Winnipeg, and Joe, Deb, Clay. Let's start with teams. Here. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 9:54. 9:54. Last and final. Copy them over. Last and final timestamp says 9:54. 9:54. Let's copy these over. Dallas to Pittsburgh. And the Rangers to New Jersey. There's teams. Match names again. 9:54. And here's your names. Joe to Clay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 9:55. 9:55 it is. Last and final will do it. Fourth and final timestamp. 9:55 and 9:55 it is. You got Tony, top spot, Clay at the halfway mark, and Clay down to J. Alright guys, there's teams. We're going to post them in the comments. We'll see you in a half hour. Best of luck.